All right, the post just came in, and let's see. I think I'm waiting for a surprise package today. And let me just quickly pick this box up. You see that it's a huge box, and let's quickly have a look at it. All right, so here we are with the huge big box, and it has come from Hamleys. Although I ordered it off Agio or Agio, depending on how you want to pronounce it. So it's quite a big box, and let's quickly get into the unboxing and look at the contents of this big box. So let me just cut open the box, cut it open here, give a center cut, and there we are. So what do we have? Let's quickly bring them out and see what we got. All right, and here we are. So we have the Airfix 1/72nd scale British Aerospace Hawk Trainer Mark 1A, and this time we've got not one but two of these. And well, I have just fallen in love with this kit. I have built so many of these by now, and the reason why I bought two is because I want to build two more. Now let's talk about what we have on the box. So we basically have two schemes, and both are Royal Air Force schemes, but I will not be building it in the Royal Air Force scheme. What I plan to do will be, of course, two different videos of two different builds of two different air forces, and these will be slightly obscure air forces, not the usual ones that you will simply find. Even if you type British Aerospace Hawk on the internet, you will not find pictures of the Hawks with that serve with these air forces. Rather, you will find mostly the British Hawks, or at sometimes you will find the Indian Air Force Hawks. I had built the Saudi Air Force Hawk, and I received a lot of positive feedback for that because people liked that scheme. People liked the desert camo. The very peculiar thing about that Saudi Hawk was the Arabic writing on the left side of the fuselage. So that was something different that I did, including the Saudi Air Force insignia. So the way that I'm going to do these two builds is by sipping over a cup of tea, Indian tea, and you can see that the camera is getting foggy because of the steam that is coming out of it. So let me put the half full glass of tea aside and come to the point. Jokes apart, the way I've thought of doing these two builds is that it will not be a voiceover. It will be a musical background video, and I will just have text that will display wherever I have some important information to share, and the rest of the video will of course be the usual build videos that you see on my channel. So honestly, before I close, I would like to have your honest feedback on what kind of videos would you really prefer? Would you prefer a voiceover video with me speaking and explaining how things are done on the build, or would you like to have a simple video with some music playing and text ticker, going across your screen to show you, the various steps that I'm performing during the build? Do consider sharing your view on what's your preferred way of watching these videos. Although, of course, it's not hard and fast, and I don't plan to shift all my videos to that mode. But let's say for a few videos where I do think that, it may not be very necessary to, have a voiceover, and that'll help me kind of speed up the video production, basically. Of course, I build videos so that I can get to the maximum number of Indian audience and show them this niche hobby, which not many Indians know of. Now, this video is not really going to be a full unboxing of the Hawk because there is already an unboxing that I did some time back, and I will share a link to that unboxing below. So if you're interested, you can go to that link and watch that video there. So this video is not going to be the usual unboxing of the Hawk model. But anyway, I digressed. So that's about it from me. If you like this video, do click the thumbs up. Do consider subscribing to the channel for more videos coming up on your screen shortly. I will see you again in the build video of the Hawk. Bye-bye. Take care.